everyone will get panic if there's no food, because food is life and life is food. And just like us, the cells in our bodies also need energy in the form of ATP due to reproduction or movement.
So how do the cells in our bodies get ATP from food? So our cells use a process called cellular respiration. In cellular respiration, most of the ATP that our cells need is produced by the oxidative phosphorylation process. In this process, there are two important things that we're going to discuss. First, the electron transport and the teamwork between the electron transport and the ATP synthesis.
But before that, let me tell you an interesting story. Long time ago, when... Oh no! Long time ago, when the first cells appeared on Earth, they began to get nutrients and began their metabolic processes. However, there's only one problem. They cannot throw away the wastes they produced, and this can make their bodies become acidic.
They think, how can I throw away these hydrogen ions from my body?
Aha! The cells actually have proton pumps on their bodies that can help them to pump the hydrogen ions out from their bodies. But this is really not efficient because it needs ATP. However, the cells are smart. They began a revolutionary system, which is the electron transport. So how does it actually work?
First, some electrons captured from the donor molecules are transferred to the chain of protein complexes at the membrane. Then, these electrons will go down the chain while releasing energy. So, instead of using ATP, they can actually use this energy to pump the hydrogen out. And then at the end of the chain, the electrons will combine with oxygen and hydrogen ions to produce water as a waste product. You can think of the electrons flow as when we slide down a slide at a playground when oxygen molecules are ready to catch you at the bottom.
But wait a minute. By pumping hydrogen out, hydrogen gradient is established across the membrane, which can cause the hydrogen to flow down the concentration gradient back to the cell through the ATP synthesis.
So now the electron transport has to work with ATP synthesis.
The hydrogen gradient made by the electron transport can produce the proton motive force, which can be used by the ATP synthesis to produce ATP. Don't you think it's amazing? Even our cells can recycle waste product to produce clean energy for their lives. So maybe we can do the same thing to save our Earth. Perhaps we should get some lesson from our cells one day. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I hope you learn a lot.